In this video, we're going to be talking about the American Express business line of credit. Now, a business line of credit can be used for a variety of different things. So, you can use a line of credit for cash flow, to manage unexpected expenses, or flexibility. So, a line of credit provides access to funds as needed without the commitment of a long term loan. Now, with the American Express business line of credit, it is a line of credit that allows you to borrow more quickly. Also, there is no interest. It's only paid on the amount used, and there is no interest on unused funds. Now, as you guys can see, we are on AmericanExpress.com. And when you're on the website, you're going to go to business line of credit. Now, I'm going to break down to you guys how you can get pre approved as well for this business line of credit. All right. So, in order to be pre qualify for this loan, you must be at least 18 years of age. You must have started a business at least 1 year ago. And at the time of your application, you must have at least a FICO score of 660 at the time. But I do strongly recommend at least having a 700 credit score and above. But you can still get approved for this loan with a 660 at the time of your application. Now, all businesses are unique and are subject to review and approval. The required FICO score might be higher based on your relationship with American Express, credit history, and other factors. Now, as I did mention, the line for this credit starts off at $2,000, but you can get all the way up to $250,000. Now, as I did mention, I will show you guys how you can get pre approved for this loan without no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. Now, in order to also be eligible for the business line of credit, you must provide some basic information about your business. So that means your business tax ID number, EIN, your social security number, the industry of your business, and an estimate annual gross revenue for your business. Now, I did mention you must be making $3,000 a month from your business, and your checking account must also show that you are making $3,000 a month. Now, the thing about the American Express business line of credit is it is a quick application. So you can get an approval within 5 minutes of submitting your application, but the whole process approximately takes about 20. Now, they do have flexible funding options. So, with short term single repayment loans and long term installment loans, there are funding options designed to fit your timeline. So, if you are looking for a short term purse or line of credit with them, they have 6 months, 12 months, and then longer forms as well between 18 months and 24 months. Now, with this line of credit, it is a instant deposit. So you get your money right away. When you draw from your business line of credit and select Amex Business Checking as your deposit account, your funds are deposited immediately. Now, you do not need a checking account with them in order to get this line of credit, but it does make the process a lot smoother on getting you approved within 20 minutes or so. Now, this business line of credit is good for people, as I did mention, for a big business or a small business. Now, another great thing about this business loan is, let's just say you were approved for $20,000, right? In order for you, like most blenders, make you take the whole thing out. With American Express, you do not. So, say if you only need $5,000, you can take that out without any additional interest to your whole balance, which is that $20,000. Okay, so this definitely can be a good loan. And I think they do offer a lot of good options. Now, another thing about this loan is if you need to continue to borrow from that $20,000 loan, you will be able to do so without any additional fees. They would just have to readjust your application for this business line of credit. Now, we're going to go ahead and talk about how you can get pre approved for this line of credit. So, if you are a member of American Express, you're going to go on their website and then you're going to also click on cash flow solutions. And then down below that, you're going to see blueprint products. So you're going to then click on the blue print products. You're going to go down and go to dashboard. Now, when you go down to dashboard, it is going to allow you to log in with your American Express and to be able to connect your American Express checking account. So that way, when you apply for this business line of credit, it will be an easy outgoing process for you. So then after you do that, you're going to go back to American Express and you're going to go back to let's see, the business, and then you're going to go down to business line of credit. And that way it will allow you to see if you are pre-approved, and it will show you the amount that you can be pre-approved for, which is again between $2,000 all the way up to $250,000. Now, if you don't have an account with American Express, they will allow you to go ahead and connect your outsourced banking account. That way, still, you will be able to get this business line of credit. So, just because you don't have an American Express checking account does not mean you're disqualified for applying for this personal business line of credit. So if you don't have a checking account with American Express, they will ask you to link a business bank account to your application in order to consider approving you for this business line of credit. Now, if you do accept, so let's just say if you are approved and you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry on your credit profile. Also, when you get this loan, and if you choose to pay this business personal line of credit off, you do not have to worry about any fees. So let's just say you decide to pay it off early. You will not be held responsible for any hidden fees, repayment fees, any type of fees whatsoever. You could just go ahead and pay the amount off as early as possible. So, if you guys did enjoy this information, please give this video a likes and make sure that you hit the notification bell if you enjoy me bringing you information on how you can get access to high limit credit cards or to business funding or on ways to help you build your personal credit.